Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about regular and irregular polygons, and we're focusing on 5, 6, 8, or 10 sides. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now before we discuss with regular and irregular polygons, let's define first what is a polygon. Now a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments, not curves, in a two-dimensional plane. So I have here given 3 illustration class, and you identify which of the following illustrations is a polygon. Now if your answer is number 3, that's correct class. This is a polygon. Now for number 1 class, we cannot call this one a polygon because it has a curved side. This particular side is a curved side, therefore this is not a polygon, because a polygon is made up of line segments, not curves. Now for number 2, can we call this one a polygon? Nope. We cannot call this one a polygon because it is an open figure. We don't have this particular side. So this is not a polygon. Now for number 3, can we call this one a polygon? Yep. This is a polygon because it's made up of line segments and it is a closed figure. So if you have a closed figure made up of line segments, a two-dimensional plane, therefore this one is a polygon. Now we call this one class a pentagon. A polygon with 5 sides, we call that one a pentagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you understand the polygon class, let's talk about regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygons, all sides are equal and all angles are of equal measure, while irregular polygons are polygons that do not have equal sides and equal angles. Now based on this given illustration class, what have you noticed? That's correct. On the first and second illustration, they have equal sides as well as they have equal angles. Now in the third and fourth illustration, the sides are not equal and the angles are not equal. So once again, if they have equal sides and equal angles, we call this one regular polygons. I actually draw this one class using the protractor and the ruler so that they will have the same side as well as they will have the same angle. So the next part of our video class is how to draw regular polygons using the protractor and the ruler, and we will explain that one class step by step. So feel free to see the video class. I will just put the link on the description down below. So once again class, this one, we call this one regular pentagon because this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. They have all equal sides and their angles are also equal. So this angle right here is congruent to this angle, to this angle, this angle, and this angle. 5 equal sides, 5 equal angles, we call this one regular pentagon. So this one, hexagon, pentagon with 6 sides. Now we call this one regular hexagon if 6 sides are equal, 6 angles, 6 interior angles are equal. So once again, this side is congruent to this side, to this side. They have 6 congruent sides and 6 congruent angles. We call this one regular hexagon. Alright, now for this one class, we call this one irregular pentagon. It has 5 sides, we call this one pentagon, but it is irregular pentagon because this particular sides is not equal as well as their angles. So based on the figure class, you can see that these angles are not equal as well as the sides. This side, okay, is shorter to this side, and this is the longest side, so they don't have the same side class. So we call this one irregular pentagon. Same with this one, irregular hexagon. We have 6 sides, so 1. So let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. 6 sides. And the sides are not equal as well as the angle. So we call this one irregular hexagon. So I hope you understand class with regards to regular polygons and irregular polygons. So let's have another example class. 8 and 10 sides. So the octagon and the decagon. So let's have another example class for the illustration. Now let's proceed now for the 8 sides and 10 sides. Once again class, a polygon with 8 sides, we call this one octagon. A polygon with 10 sides, we call it decagon. So I have here regular octagon. Once again, regular octagon, it has 8 equal sides and 8 equal interior angles. So if this is 5 cm for the sides, therefore this is also 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. So this side is congruent to this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side, this side, this side. So 8 congruent sides, 8 equal sides. And for the angles, interior angles must be also congruent. So this angle, alright, so this angle will be congruent to this angle. So this angle will be congruent to this angle, to this angle. So 8 interior angles are congruent. Alright, and for this one, regular decagon, if this is 4 cm, this is also 4 cm, 4 cm, 4 cm. All sides must be congruent for the regular decagon. So 10 sides are congruent. Of course, the interior angles is also congruent. Alright, so this angle right here is also congruent. Now for this one class, we have a regular octagon. It has 8 sides. So let's count the number of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So 8 sides are not congruent, as well as the angles, they are not congruent. So we call that irregular octagon. So we also have irregular decagon. So let's count the number of sides. So 1, 2, 1, then 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, then 9, then 10. So 10 sides. 10 sides are not congruent, as well as the interior angles. So we call that one irregular decagon. So I hope you learned something new today, class, with regards to regular and irregular polygons. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. You have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.